As investigators try to piece all of this together from that deadly shooting on Saturday, they're looking at those actions of those two armed citizens. The man who's in jail never pulled the trigger, and the man who identified himself as a peacekeeper and fired the shots that killed an innocent bystander is facing no charges, at least not yet. Now, KSL investigator Daniela Rivera joins us with what rights are afforded to gun owners under Utah law. Daniela?
Well, Debbie, there are many unanswered questions tonight about both men, what happened on Saturday, and who is responsible for the death of a beloved husband and father. Experts we spoke with today aligned on this. Utahns have a right to carry guns, even at a protest, but they're also responsible for what happens when they discharge those weapons.
You don't have to have a permit to carry a gun.
Bill Patterson is the director of Utah's Shooting Sports Council. He says under Utah law, any law-abiding adult can carry a gun, openly or concealed, even at a protest. But that right comes with responsibility.
We talk about that we are responsible for every shot that comes out of our gun.
A sobering reminder in the wake of Saturday's deadly shooting.
We had a citizen that identified a threat and went to stop that threat. And unfortunately, we don't know all the circumstances yet, but someone died from the result of that.
Patterson and KSL legal analyst Greg Skortis agree that the alleged peacekeeper who fired those shots is likely legally liable for the fatal outcome.
As private citizens, we're accountable. Law enforcement have granted immunity.
The peacekeepers, under the facts that we understand them, are certainly liable, both civilly and criminally. They don't enjoy immunity like a police officer would.
As for the man police arrested, bringing a gun to the protest on its own isn't a crime.
Under the gun rights, there's no right or wrong firearm to carry. I have the right to carry an AR-15 down the street as I do a handgun.
Right now, police say they're relying on witness reports that he pointed the gun and charged toward the crowd.
The district attorney's office has some really difficult criminal questions to answer when they look at these two individuals in deciding what, if anything, to charge them with.
Police are protecting the identity of the man who fired his gun tonight. They say he self-identified as a peacekeeper, and they've not determined whether he was hired by event organizers or had volunteered, or whether he acted on his own initiative. We're going to keep watching this closely. Debbie?
Daniela, thank you.